Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is Friday, 9/11/2015. I think it's the 15th anniversary, I believe, or of 9/11, and very sad day. Uh, let's take a look at our trading. Now we're going to go back 2 days. I haven't made a video this week, and I just wanted to review our trading. For Thursday and Friday. Now, I'm not sure what happened here. Oh, I know what happened. We rotated the contract month. So we lost our trades. They're no longer marked on the chart. So I'm only going to be able to go over today's trading with you. All the other trades taken on the ES the rest of the week have been removed because we're now in the December contract. So let's take a look at the ES today. Now, we had no trades on the ES. And what I was showing our traders in the room was the one trade that I felt that I did miss on the ES was right here. Actually, two trades. It was this break of the 50, this retracement. Now, the problem with the trade, it was a great trade, and the move down. Triple quants, all red, all the correlative markets, perfect trade, and that was a 2-point trade. Then I believe, that was another good trade. But this was before the room opened. We opened at 8:45. It occurred at 8:44, as luck would have it. This trade was the 2-point trade that I did miss. It was 8:54. We had a nice short right here. Then, this is a very, very aggressive long. Let me just refresh the chart so I can get the bias back. Sorry, it's taking a minute. Here we go. So these were both really, really nice trades with the best background bias. This is a very, very tough trade. It's a break of the 50 right here. 15's up, 50's up. And you did have order flow and momentum. You did not have bias on this candle. And it's almost 3 ticks off the 50. And on a day like today, you want to be ultra conservative. Now, there's nothing here. That's a yellow 15. Just a lot of chop. This trade was really looking for a short move here. The problem with taking this trade, and it was an excellent entry, was the point of control. You were trading right into it here. And the ES really likes to bounce off of it. So when you're on the right edge and the point of control is right below you, I elected not to take the trade. It was the same thing with this entry. This was a stronger entry, but still, and it blew through the point of control and the value area low. And when you're on the right edge, you just don't know that's going to happen. Now, after that, we're done. We can see how the ES is traded. Choppy, but definitely with an up bias. We just have nothing. We had nothing on bonds, So I'm not even going to review them. They've just been flat and just really nothing to trade. Now, crude was really nice today. Now, here's how we did today, and I'll show you that in a second. Now, I was just going over all the trades again with our traders in the room. Now, what we had here, this was a nice short trade, but 2/3 of this candle is not below the 15. And you can see what you have here is a move down and 70% retracement or greater for the continuation short. It worked, but you really need to have a break of the 15. This broke the 15 to the upside, and then this down candle had a break to the downside, and it just didn't do it. But eventually we cleared all of this, and we had the move down, the move up, and then on the right edge, plenty of room. We had about half to 2/3 of the candle through the value area low. We took it on the retracement and the continuation short for 12. Then here's the double top. Here's the top right here. You get a retracement here. That's just about 80 to 90% of this move, and we went down for 6 ticks. Easy first target. And actually, it was a lucrative move because as soon as we hit resistance here, I took the trade out. So we made $150 on this trade. Then we had a lot of choppiness upside, no background bias, which concerned me. This was a potential retracement move up, retracement right to the 15, which is really moving up hard. But there was a lot of upside resistance, and I didn't want to take this trades long. Then finally we had a move to the downside, the break up, and the continuation. It just missed a second target, but we made nice money on this trade. Again, we had the move down, the retracement, about 70% retracement, and we had a break of the 50 and a retest of the 50. So multiple reasons to take this short, and we had background bias, all kinds of reasons this was going to make it nicely. So we had 12, 6, and 9 on crude. I mean, we're done. We had 3 trades, 3 winners, and no losers. On the 12-tick trade, we had 1 contract off at 5, 1 at 10, and 1 at 7. On the 6 ticks, I took it out at resistance. So we got 3 at 5 ticks. And that's good money on a 6-tick trade. Then I had 9 ticks. I took the first one, hit our first target, and then I took it out too, because it was our last trade. And even if it ran another 15 ticks, I wanted to monetize it. So we took 2 contracts off at 7. We had net ticks at 27, net equity of $560, and the auto trader had no trades so far today. Now, yesterday, we had 4 trades and 4 winners, and we made about $590. I'm sorry I can't show them to you, but unfortunately, it was on a different contract month, and they're just not there anymore. So maybe I think I can show them to you on crude. You're not going to get a net equity for the day, but I can show you the trades we took. We have not rolled the contract month here. Here was our trades yesterday. We had 4 trades, 4 winners. ES plus 3, ES plus 7, crude plus 8 and plus 21. Net ticks were 39. Net equity was 590. Let me show you the trades that we took right here. We were out of the room yesterday really quick. There was the move down. Here was the move up. almost a double top, but a nice retracement close to way over 70%. Took it, we went down for 8 ticks, right off the 50. Then we had this really nice move up, retracement, multi-candle, little risky, but I took it up for 21 ticks. So we did really, really good on crude. 8 and 21. We had 3 ticks on the ES and 7. Let me see if I can find them. I'll see if I can remember the trades from Thursday. Well, I just clicked my chart out. That's not going to work. I'm sorry. All right, well, we lost them, but we lost it. But these are our 2 days. 4 trades, 4 winners yesterday. 3 trades, 3 winners today. Net equity just close to $1,000. And we're just pushing forward. We had a nice winning day on Tuesday. I think we had 3 winners and 3 trades and 3 winners. Wednesday was a tough day for us. We had a drawdown day, my first in 3 weeks. But we still made money this week. We're up nicely for the month, and we are just going to continue forward. We have a lot of people in the trading room and a lot of people on trial. And I'm just going to take you quickly to the website. These are our trading room results, auto trader results. We have a new options service. Sent out an email about that. Here's our cashed out position so far. We have one at 150%, one at 67%, one at 88%, one at 85%, and then we have 2 losers, 75 and 76. We've been really scaling into put spreads, bull put spreads, because the market has been so choppy and is trading in such a narrow range. But you can click here for a free trial to the trading room. And this software describes all the services we have. And we also have a great mentorship course. If you really want to learn how to day trade, and you want to find out how to be a professional day trader, I give it, so I highly recommend it. But it's really 8 intensive weeks of trading, and at the end of it, you should be a professional, profitable day trader. So that's it for today. It's it for the week. We had a good week. I can't complain. We had a drawdown day on Wednesday, and it was a really tough day. We made great money on Monday, great money on Tuesday, and on Thursday, and on Friday. I have only taken losers in 1 session out of the last, I think, 10. Out of the last 9, I don't believe I've even taken a loser, let alone have a losing day. I did have a losing day on Wednesday, my first in 3 weeks. And we're just pushing forward great. So everyone, have a great weekend, and I hope to see everyone in the trading room on Monday. Take care.